RV shows are weird. It's almost impossible to find what you're looking for without walking through every single display for hours. A big RV show that has yet to return from COVID is on its way back, and it's setting out to change that. Hello, and welcome to RV Miles, your source for news and information on RV travel and camping and public lands. I'm your host, Jason Epperson. Today, some exciting news for folks who are RV shopping in the West. The California RV Show is returning to the Pomona Fairplex just outside of LA, October 25th to 29th. The California Show was one of the three big manufacturer shows for many years, along with America's largest RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Who knows if it's actually the largest? America's largest RV show is just its official name. And the equally expansive Florida RV Super Show in Tampa. The California Show formerly ran a full 10 days and was a highlight of the show season calendar. It was put on by the manufacturers, which is rare for all but the biggest shows. Most are ran by dealer associations. But it was expensive for manufacturers and suppliers to bring their latest and greatest from Elkhart County, Indiana, where 80% of RVs are manufactured, all the way out to Los Angeles, even though Californians spend more on RVing than any other state. When COVID hit in 2020, it was canceled indefinitely. The new show is being billed as the 68th annual Pomona RV Show, and it's run by a group of investors. One thing really caught my eye in the announcement, though. Have you ever been to an RV show and tried to shop for just one type of RV? After all, I think most people are looking for something specific, or at least want to see one type at a time. At most RV shows, they're scattered all over the place, organized by brand. If you want to just see Class B camper vans, you have to wander through acres of RVs to do it. The new Pomona RV Show is trying to create a better buying experience and a level playing field for the manufacturers, instead of dedicating large swaths to just the biggest. The plan is to have the major products segmented so that motorized units will be on the same block and the toy haulers on a separate block, and so on. The new format should make it easier for customers to find the products they're interested in and create a more enjoyable shopping experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts on visiting RV shows and what can be done to improve them in the comments. And if you're out west, mark your calendars for October 25th through the 29th. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to RV Miles for more news and information on RV travel.